Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming new smartphone, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro leaked render show a massive difference camera Iceland. Xiaomi has already made the Mi 11 official in December, and the phone has gone on a sale today with a great result. But according to mumbling on Weibo, there a Mi 11 Pro coming too at some point in the near future. This would make sense considering how last year we got a Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro due. The Mi 11 Pro is elegantly pictured in these leaked render. As you can see in the blue and a silver color. Perhaps surprisingly, the design of the camera island on the back is completely different compared to that seen on the Mi 11 non-Pro edition. The Mi 11 Pro has a 4 camera, one of which is of the periscope zoom variety, and the 120x inspection next to it tells us the Xiaomi does not want that the phone to digital zoom any less than the Mi 10 Ultra. The rest of the writing reveals that the ultra-wide has a 35mm equivalent focal length of 12mm, while the periscope goes to 120mm. One of the other shooter is likely to be the exact same 108 megapixel sensor as the Mi 11, while the latest camera could be 2x or 3x telephoto for smoother zooming. We don't yet have a picture of the front of the Mi 11 Pro, but rumor has it you should expect that to find the exact same screen that the Mi 11 has, a 6.81-inch size, curved side, 1440 by 3200 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 480 Hz touch sampling rate, and 1500 nit brightness. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 888 should region supreme, of course. So we know that the Mi 11 has 6.81 inch screen, and it has a 8 gigabytes and 12 gigabytes of RAM and 4600 mAh battery. So let's see in upcoming days what the new improvement in the Mi 11 Pro. Let's see in upcoming days, and make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out and bye.